Choosing the right helmet can literally save your life. But with so many certifications out there, which one is actually the safest? In this video, we rank helmet safety certifications from lowest to highest, along with price ranges, brands, and top models you can buy in India. Starting with the most basic, ISI certification. This is mandatory for legal road use in India and ensures a basic to moderate level of safety. While ISI is essential, it uses older testing standards, so it's the minimum you should consider. Price range starts from around 800 rupees and goes up to 10,000 rupees. Popular brands include Steelbird, Studs, Vega, Axor, SMK, Royal Enfield, and many other brands. Some popular models are Steelbird S PA1 Robotics, Vega Edge, Studs Chrome Elite, and Royal Enfield NH44. Next is DOT certification, widely used in the United States. It's a step above ISI but is often self-certified by manufacturers, which makes it less strict. Better than ISI but still not the most reliable for serious protection. Helmets range from 1,500 rupees to 10,000 rupees and above. Brands include Studs, Vega, Axer, SMK, MT, TVS Racing, HJC, and many other brands. Popular models are Studs Helios, Vega Bolt, Axer Apex, SMK Stellar, MT Targo Kraken, TVS Racing X Pod, and HJC C10. Now comes ECE certification, especially the latest ECE 22.06 standard. This is considered one of the best for daily riding. Unlike DOT, ECE testing is done in independent labs and includes impact, abrasion, and shell deformation tests. For most riders, ECE certified helmets offer the best balance of safety and price. Prices range from 4,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees and beyond. Brands include Axor, SMK, MT, LS2, KYT, HJC, Steelbird, and Corda. Top models include Axor Brutal, SMK Typhoon, LS2 Storm 2, MT Hummer, and Corda Neo. Taking it up a notch, Snell certification. This is a non-profit standard known for extremely rigorous testing, including high impact and penetration resistance, often called the gold standard for track and performance riding. If you ride aggressively or hit the track, Snell is a great choice. Prices start from 8,000 rupees and can go up to 1,10,000 rupees. Brands include Steelbird, HJC, ILM, LS2, Bell, RI, and Shui. Popular models are HJC I10, LS2 Vector Series, Bell Qualifier, TLX, Raikkoset X, and Shui RF1 400. And finally, the highest level, FIM certification. Used in MotoGP and World Superbike, this is the ultimate in helmet safety. FIM helmets undergo extreme high speed and oblique impact testing. This is professional racing level protection, the absolute best you can get. Prices range from 38,000 rupees to 220,000 rupees. Brands include LS2, MT, KYT, Shark, Alpine Stars, Shui, HJC, and AGV. Top models include LS2, FF8, O5, Thunder Carbon GP, MTKRE, Plus Projectile, KYT KX1GP, Shark Aeron GP, Alpine Stars Supertech R10, Shubegi X15, HJCR PHA1, and AGV Pista GPRR. So if we rank them, ISI at the base, then DOT ECE for everyday safety, Snell for performance, and FIM at the top for racing. If you're riding daily, go for at least ECE 22.06. And remember, investing in a better helmet is investing in your life. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ride safe.